Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Timix Skin Glow. I'm Rachel. If you are new here, you are welcome to our skincare family. On this channel we do everything skincare, from simple DIYs to product review. Of course, I share tips and tricks with you to help you glow effortlessly. Click on the subscribe button to be part of this amazing family. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very nice recipe for skin whitening, and this is Pro Mixing. This is a Pro Mixing Whitening Body Lotion, not for face. Do not use this product on your face. If you don't want to whiten your skin, this recipe is not for you. This is a super whitening recipe. Okay, if you want something to just glow melanin, or to maintain your melanin skin, or to just glow your caramel skin, or just to maintain, let me hear from you in the comment section. I'm going to do another video for that purpose, but today's video is for skin whitening, super whitening recipe. I have it written down here, so I'm just going to mention the ingredients you need, and I will put them on the screen. I'll put the pictures on the screen for you, and also write out the names. Like I said, this is a super whitening body lotion, Pro Mixing. Do not use it on your face, and yes, it's safe, so don't worry about stretch mark or thin skin or white patches or body acne. No, it's not going to do any of that. No side effect. Number one on our list is the 72 hours body lotion. I'm going to put a picture of it on the screen. You need just one 72-hour body lotion. Make sure you get the thick one. There are so many fake ones in the market right now. Sometimes you buy your 72 hours and you see it's so watery. I did a video where I talked about the fake one and the original. I'm going to put the link somewhere in this video so you can watch it and then know exactly what to buy. Don't buy the fake. If you buy fake, you're not going to get the best out of this recipe. So you need one 72-hour lotion. You need Nature Secret Oil, the green one. I'll put a picture on the screen. You need 2 tablespoons of Nature Secret Oil. You need Escabella serum, 1 teaspoon. So just get a clean bowl. Make sure it's clean. If you use bowl or tools to pro mix or produce at all, if you use bowl or tools that are not clean, spatulas that are not wet, you may wash with soap or water, but if you don't sanitize, sterilize it with rubbing alcohol, you may start experiencing white patches. You may start having something like rashes when you pro mix product. That is not because the recipe is not good. It's because your hygiene level is really poor. So whenever you're mixing, whether pro mixing or formulating from scratch, always clean, sterilize your tools, your workplace with rubbing alcohol. So get a clean bowl, wash it with soap and water, clean it dry. Use your rubbing alcohol to clean your spatula and your bowl. Pour in 1 whole bottle of 72-hour lotion. Then add 2 tablespoons of Nature Secret Oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of Escabella serum. The next thing we need is White Express serum. You need just 2 tablespoons of that. Just pour it in accordingly. And then you need 100 ml of carrot oil or papaya oil, 100 ml. Okay, this will also make the product to be calm and not to react for you or to dry your skin. You need 100 ml of carrot oil or papaya oil. And then you need Snow White powder. This is water soluble ingredient. Now Snow White powder, you need half teaspoon, okay, of Snow White powder. You need alpha arbutin powder. You need giga white powder, and you need kojic acid. These are water soluble, so you dissolve them in distilled water or rose water. What you need is half tablespoon, sorry, not half teaspoon. You need half tablespoon of Snow White powder, half tablespoon of alpha arbutin, half tablespoon of giga white, half tablespoon of kojic acid. Now you pour it in your clean bowl, dissolve with distilled water in a double boiler method, okay, and then you pour it into this lotion. You also need Shalom stretch mark oil. You need just 1. You need 3 beta tube. You need 3 beta tube. 1 3, that means shared into 3. not half. Your 3 better tube, you need to share it into 3 and use 1 portion of it. Share your 3 better tube in 3 parts and use 1 portion. Keep the other 2 parts for next time. Put it in the lotion and stir in your base. You need Glutathione Prime tube. Share it in 3 parts. Use 1 part, keep the other 2 for next time. Don't use half, don't use the whole tube, it will be too much. Follow my recipe as it is. And then you need allantoin powder, half tablespoon. Add this to the water phase where I talked about Giga White and Snow White, so it doesn't irritate your skin. This is an anti-irritant, okay? You also need Kenacol Beleclat. You need 2 tablespoons. You need Shenick Perfect Leg, 2 tablespoons. And of course, you need preservative, 10 ml. That is it. Very simple recipe. After mixing everything, you put your powders, everything. Your preservative should be the last. You can use Liquid Jama Plus or Optifem Plus. Put it there and mix. Use electronic mixer. Don't just use your spatula. It's not enough. It's not going to incorporate the ingredients. It's not going to mix everything well for you. That's why most times when you do your DIY, you say, oh, I'm having discoloration. Some part of my skin is yellow. Some part is lighter than the other part. It's because you did not mix the ingredient very well. You need to mix it thoroughly. Use electronic mixer, okay? And that is it. If you want extra, you want it to smell nice, you can add essential oils, any essential oil of your choice for extra fragrance, but it's optional, okay? It's not compulsory. This product is nice and it smells well. Now, if you cannot get a 72-hour lotion, you can use White Now lotion. But I think 72 hours is good if you can get the thick one. If it's not thick, don't buy it, okay? So that is it. Just dissolve your powder, pour everything there and mix very well. You are going to come back to thank me. This is a super nice, very safe pro-mixing recipe. This recipe is going to give you white undertone. It's not going to give you red undertone. It's not going to give you discoloration. No stretch mark, no green vein, no dark knuckles. Make sure you add the allantoin, add the carrot oil or papaya oil, just 100 ml. It's going to calm the lotion. And then add your preservative. Don't overshoot any ingredient. If you want more, you can double the ingredient, okay? But if you are using exactly this quantity, don't use too much. If I say use half tablespoon, use half tablespoon. If I say share your tube in 3 and use 1 part, do as I have said. I hope you find this video interesting. Please click on the subscribe button if you have not. Drop a comment, like this video to encourage me to post more. If there's something you want me to do, to post or talk about, please, I want to hear from you in the comment section. In the next video, I'm going to share with you a very nice pro-mixing facial cream recipe. If you want me to share something else with you, please tell me. I want to hear from you in the comment section. Remember, Team Skin Glow products are readily available for immediate delivery and we deliver worldwide. If you want to learn how to pro-mix safe whitening product, send me a message via the number on the screen. Our ebooks are available for pro-mixing. If you want to learn how to make whitening base cream from scratch, we have the ebook for that. If you want to learn how to formulate very effective natural skincare product from scratch, we have the ebook, and of course classes are available as well. Just talk to me. Send me a message via the number on the screen or send a DM to Team Skin Glow on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.